Yeah.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you for bearing with us. We're the Upnlive Show team. We are here on the internet every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by Shush Prince, and we have a jam-packed show for you tonight. DJ Rick,
We're there when the internet shaky.
we're there.
We're
same
still
way.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you say we freeze you a little second and
Just bear with us. Just stick and stay. Don't touch that dial. We will be here. So DJ Rick, I keep calling myself Drag.
it's from the dragon name. I fired you better than yourself.
I'm not Dragon All Star. I'm your girl, the Little Brown Ass, and Dragon All Star on the Wheels
Yeah,
of Steel.
you know the trips.
Yeah, we are your Upnlive Show team. How are you guys doing?
You know we are good. We're still living.
Mm-hmm.
In the land of the living. they
Not
say.
mad as yet, but you know, soon
And
to be
You plan for man?
Close.
close.
A true boy. Lockdown.
And it looks like that will continue until it's still after.
Summertime.
As we say, when summer come, everything done. Because all our room and bored.
I think we need to turn down our microphones a bit. We're
Loud?
getting a mess. Yeah, or the speaker. Right. I think.
Okay.
Let us know if we are
Too loud.
sounding good, sounding perfect for you. No. Just quickly, we've as we say,
Mm-hmm.
lost a lot of time
Yeah.
due to the technicalities. But what's been happening in Jamaica? We're gonna talk about one thing.
We
I
can,
bet things are going down there.
I know, but we can't only talk about one.
we want to do one. Let's do
Which one you want to do?
do a happy or sad. Where are the?
No, what happy are going down there from?
Skillibeng make video.
Yeah.
Okay, so I remember the plane we land last week.
Yes.
Last week
The plane
in
was reported here,
Clarendon,
basically.
Rocky Point
Yeah.
in Jamaica, when them must say, oh, speculations are, bad dealings was
Yes.
happening on the plane, and the plane was not going to Jamaica, but it dropped down at Rocky Point.
That's the plane. there.
Skillibeng with his skillful self.
Smart. A good move because everybody I think that.
I think it was a very
Yeah.
great move
Yeah.
that he made to make his. What's the title of the video? Is it weed? No, coke.
Coke-
Is it coke?
Coke.
Pon the
Coca-Cola.
people there playing. Skillibeng big
But
up
I
himself.
thought everybody I think, because first thing you see playing, I first
Yeah,
is either weed
yeah.
or drugs
Yeah.
or coke or cocaine. I can't nothing else. Can nobody not sneak so much money come out Jamaica?
Well,
the-
I don't know the full evidence how I going, but me I speculate now, right?
A speculation.
So basically, how it look to me
yeah.
is a drug move, you know.
But there's a report that came out from
yeah,
the
it's
from
a drug move,
that
definitely.
say that
Something
it
not
was
right.
there was no cargo on the ship,
Yeah.
and the persons who
On
were
the plane.
on-
Hold on.
on
On
the
the
I
plane.
keep saying
Yeah.
ship on the plane, that there was no cargo on it, and it wasn't destined to
Them
Jamaica.
not find
So
none.
you people them
Hold
must
on.
say, you know things that we didn't know that from morning.
Hold
we
on,
know
no.
that.
Them
but-
not find none because if you check the video them,
Yeah.
what people take when them phone in and see.
Yeah.
Remember the plane don't have the seat, but the pilot seat. So
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
what in the plane,
Mm-hmm.
they move it before. Cause if you follow up some of the report, them say, yo,
They took-
Detective
they-
are
Dragon. you know.
the people them were coming at what the bus name? The little bus them when they carry tourists. Me no want
The
to lie.
JUT, the
No, no,
Juta
no, no.
bus,
The little-
the
the
highest
little
bus.
bus, highest bus. Him say,
Right.
and the two youth them will come pick them up in the highest bus.
Yeah.
So anybody who come pick them up, clear off the merchandise off.
And
Anything
gone
with it,
already.
it's
And
gone
do them,
already.
yeah,
Okay.
them do them like a business because
Of
if you
course.
think about it, say if a plane worth value $20 million
Mm-hmm.
and the product value 80,
Mm-hmm.
you abandon the plane, you know, because the
Yeah,
product
yeah,
is more
yeah.
important.
Exactly.
Okay.
So big up Skilly win
Yeah.
with the video. Yeah.
He
So
he
I would-
definitely won with the video. Our microphones need to be turned up, Mr. Technician.
Yeah.
Just
The
tell it-
people in Facebook land
Saying
say
it's,
that our volume needs to be up.
Yeah,
Yes.
all right now.
and the
Let us know if you can hear us very clearly, ladies and
of
gentlemen.
course. So
And
this evening
go
a very jam-packed evening.
Yes, we
All
have a
the
very
things.
jam-packed even. But before we go,
Man, things are
before
going
we
on.
jump over to that, we just want to remind you
Yeah.
that on Thursday, the 4th of February, Versuz is happening. It's being put on by Starpoint Entertainment.
Yep.
And no Jing Bang. It's going to be featuring TearBoss and Shanti Force,
Yeah.
hosted by DJ English Fire. You do not want to miss it. The Upnlive Show is a proud sponsor of this event, so make sure that you get your Instagram feeds tuned in at
Yes.
8 p.m.
Yes.
on Thursday. The Instagram name that you need to be on is at starpointent. ENT.
Yes.
You understand? So make sure Sunday do miss
Do
it.
the right thing.
Do the right thing.
I know
So
who my money depend already, you know.
talk no. Who you want
Eh.
to depend?
Me have vote for Tier Shanti, man. You know you go?
Some
Yo.
bad
Yeah,
man.
the artist
Tear
them now, man.
Shanti.
Tear
So you're going
Shanti,
to kill
man.
Shanti there because you say you're Tear
Watch here
Shanti.
now.
What go on?
Eh?
You see that like a war there?
Yeah.
I'm going with a neutral mind
Yeah,
because
a big
are two bad artists, and basically it can go anyway
It can't go anywhere.
because the two of them is very talented. So people, if you don't have nothing to do, nobody know for the by the way.
All right, remember
So no go over there go
Yeah,
watch it.
it's
let me
8
explain
o'clock.
now why, you know, because I'm not understanding, you know, me know the two artists, when they say TearBoss are forward wicked.
Yeah.
Because TearBoss is a very, no, don't take him simple, and he's a youth, where take him the war part of the business, they're serious.
Him love war bad man.
But Shanti Force is a silent killer. He said simple and
That's
alright.
true. That's
Lyrics.
true. Yeah,
So it's
yeah,
a
yeah.
coming like it's a skilly verse, is a intense then.
Yeah. All right. So since
UK version.
since we're on the topic of war,
Yeah.
there's another war gonna go on in March.
Yes, we're bigging up for that one.
Remember, you know, we are being up War Report for
War
the
Report,
you
Sir
know,
Alan
courtesy of
Brando
War Report, you know,
and
Alan
Jawil.
Brando and Jawil.
Yeah.
So, you know, I like to see this kind of war where the young son them go at it
Yeah.
because you have the young guns them a come out. You don't have too much of the dinosaur them, as what them say.
Yeah.
You have some of the fresh upcoming sound them like, you know, Infinity is a seasoned war veteran.
Yes, definitely.
I see somebody new in the war arena where I'm very proud of to see. I see Liars squad in the war
Yes.
arena.
Yes, see me I talk about.
Me know say the man them a cut some whole heap of dub plate and sitting recently.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Me see them in the arena, you know.
Whole heap of people are there. But
Yeah.
can we get back to this subject a little later on when we have more